So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix this problem. As you can see now, here it says Cnfans Warm reminder. So if you want to get rid of this reminder while trying to purchase something on Cnfan, so this video is for you. If you are using mobile phone, this video is for you. First of all you have to do now, just tap on this cancel button. So after you tap on the cancel, as you can see now, it will take you back. You can't be able to purchase the product you want to purchase. So to get rid of this issue, all you have to do now, close the Cnfan. After you close the scene pan, now open up your Google Play Store or App Store. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store. But if you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store. Just go and search for this VPN which says Proton VPN. Just go and find a VPN. Even if it is not Proton VPN, just find a VPN like this one. So for this video, I will use Proton because it has some free features. So they'll give you some free to use. So all you have to do now, install the Proton VPN. After you install the Proton VPN, just turn on the VPN. After you turn on the VPN, just go back and open up the Cnfan application on your mobile phone. So like this one. After you turn on the VPN, just open up now the Cnfan. After you open up the Cnfan, from there it will allow you now to purchase the product you want to purchase without getting that warm reminder on your Cnfan. And that's it guys on how to fix the warm reminder on the Cnfan.